Need reliable power for industrial or medical use? TPS GP series delivers. Our TPS 10W model is compact at 91 by 23 by 60 millimeters. Fits tight control cabinets. It handles a wide 90 to 264 VAC input and features ultra-low standby power under 0.3 watts for energy savings. Fully certified, safe for medical use, and meets global efficiency standards. Perfect for medical gear. Ripple stays under 1% of output voltage, keeping devices stable. Great for LED lighting. Our 60-watt TPS model uses convection cooling, ensuring quiet, dust-free operation. Install in 30 seconds. Just clip to TS35 rails and fasten terminals, as you see here. Convection cooling means a 350,000-hour MTBF, plus a 5-year warranty, so you won't worry about replacements. Supports parallel redundancy, works with AWG 26-14 cables. Easy installation, compact and compliant. The professional choice